So things look bad and your back's against the wall.
Your whole existence feels kinda hopeless.
You're feeling filthy as an AU Tumblr blog.
Can't face the world that's turned so soulless.
You've lost your way.
You think your life is wrecked? Well, let me just say you're correct.
Wait, what?
You're a loser, Pappy, a loser, my dear Pappy, you're a...
That little whiny bitch, you're a loser just like me.
Feel uplifted.
You're a screws loose rabbit with annoyingly bad habits. You're an
skeleton dead in every run, but you got company.
Oh, enough with the pun, Sans!
There was a time I thought that no one could relate
To the gruesome ways the world has reset.
But
Getting
letting
beat
walls
like
down,
this
it
can
can
sometimes
lighten
set
up
you
this
straight.
night.
We're all stuck inside this game of roulette.
I lost my soul
To this cavity-ridden freak.
And you think that makes you unique? Get out of here,
Jax,
bro. We're both losers, Pappy, we're losers. It's okay to have some.
humor in my humorous.
Wow, that one kinda stunk, bro.
I'm a loser, Pomni, a rascal who's so crummy, but
At least I know I'm not alone.
You're a loser
Just like me.
I got a tendency to panic.
I got an appetite for catching every human falling from the sky.
Go ahead, buddy, sing that song. Come on.
I'm super friends with a talking flower.
Through the pain, I force a smile.
Now
Cause
our
I know
water
I'll
bill is
catch
high.
They'll shut it off in just a couple of hours. You're a loser and lazy.
A loser, but just maybe if we keep moving forward, things will end up differently. It's time to choose. Carefree, excuse yourself, but still you're happy. Send this now or you'll